This is the Aftermarket Radio Network. It's your Weekly Blitz with Chris, keeping you in the game.
Are you ready to supercharge your auto repair business? This is Coach Chris Cotton from AutoFix Auto Shop Coaching. The Weekly Blitz is where industry expertise and business innovation collide, revving your engines for the week ahead. Every episode has game-changing insights, up-to-the-minute industry updates, and practical tips to shift your business into high gear. We're talking about stuff you didn't even know you didn't know, folks. This episode is brought to you by Shop Marketing Pros, the experts in marketing for top-tier auto repair shops. If you're running a successful shop but want to take it to the next level, Shop Marketing Pros is without a doubt your best option. From websites and SEO to social media and digital ads, Shop Marketing Pros helps owners like you fill your bays, grow your revenue, and build the life you've been working for. Are you ready to take the guesswork out of your marketing? Then go ahead and visit shopmarketingpros.com/Chris to get a free digital marketing inspection and start building the shop of your dreams today. I know everybody's going to be super excited about the topic today. Today, we're talking about financing. And this is financing for your customers in your repair shop. I don't know if some of you have found it a little bit difficult to make some sales recently. We're hearing a little bit of that across the country. Got the car count. Our car count might be a little low, but we're seeing that our average written estimate's gone up, but the average repair order's gone down. Our job in doing what we do in sales is removing the hurdles that the customers put up. Another reason why I'm bringing this up, if some of you use Synchrony, we had a situation in one of our client shops this week where some of their clients got letters saying, hey, you're not our ideal customer, so we're going to not allow you to use the Synchrony card anymore. If you want to reapply, you can, but for now, you're done. And these are people that I think Synchrony didn't want them because they weren't getting any finance fees out of them. The people were getting repair work done, paying the bill on time, and getting it done in the zero financing. So it seems like Synchrony dumped some of those customers. So if that happened to you, or if you have something similar like that from finance company, I would love to hear it. You can email me, chris@autofixsos.com, and tell me your story. But again, I'm talking about this now because it seems like some shops are in an emergency situation where they don't have financing set up. So this is something that you need to have set up beforehand before it becomes an emergency. That way you can talk about it all the time. Okay. That way you can have people set up, have them pre-approved for credit, maybe a month or two before they actually need it. So today we're going to talk about the importance of offering customer financing in your auto repair shop, and not just having one option, but having several options. Providing customer financing options isn't just a bonus. It's essential. Like every repair shop in the United States should have that. At AutoFix Auto Shop Coaching, we've worked with countless shop owners who've seen firsthand how financing options can increase consumer trust, how they can improve sales. They create loyal repeat clients. On average, the average repair orders for those tickets are higher than your average repair order, if I said that right. Strange thought. So the average repair order for clients that use financing is typically higher than the average repair order you see with your regular customers who don't. Okay. We're going to talk, and I'm going to share why financing is vital for your business, and then how we also leverage those tools in my shop. We need to make it easy and accessible for your customers. Current reality is auto repair is for some an unexpected expense, whether it's unexpected routine maintenance that's become overdue or a major repair that simply can't wait. Many customers don't have the cash on hand to pay for those services in full. And that's where financing becomes a game changer. Remember when I said you have to remove the hurdles? Providing other options allows your customers to get the work done now without putting off those repairs, and also without jeopardizing their safety or the health of their vehicle. What we use in our shop, we've partnered with several different financing providers. The first one is, because we're a Bridgestone Firestone affiliated dealer, we use the CFNA card. This is a great option for customers who want like a dedicated line of credit for automotive repairs and maintenance. It's really effective because it's built for our industry and works with our systems that we have. We also use WiseTac. That is one of the most flexible, user-friendly financing options out there. They offer installment plans that fit a variety of budgets. A lot of customers that I've talked to love how easy it is to use, and we love the approval process and our ability to get them set up and going. They also do direct deposits into our bank account, no long waiting times or anything else. The other option is through our shop management system. So when we send an estimate out, in the upper right-hand corner, it has like a little thing saying, hey, would you like to split this up? We can do Klarna or Affirm. And so these are the types of modern financing solutions that are familiar to many customers because most people have gone to Amazon, thrown a pair of socks in their basket, and they've seen something that says, hey, do you want to split your sock purchase up into four equal payments of $1.82 or whatever? Some of it's a little comical if you ask me, but these are modern financing solutions and people are used to using those. It makes it easier for people to say yes to repairs when they don't have to worry about the cash part of it. Or like right now, they're like, hey, Christmas is coming up. I really want to get this done. We're going to drive to grandma's, but I don't want to take the cash it would take to fix the car to take away from the presents or whatever. Those are some great options. There are a ton of other great options out there. You've got Snap Finance. You've got Easy Pay Finance. One of the things that I would talk about with your customers, though, is some of those can get a little predatory if you don't pay the bill on time. So you need to make sure that you have the pay plan set up. If it's like $200 a week, then you need to pay the $200 a week or whatever to get that taken care of so that you've got it paid for before all the financing from the whole bill hits you. Tons of options out there. Just have to make sure that you have those set up and are ready. And when we talk about making financing accessible, in order to maximize the benefits of offering the financing, it's crucial to make the process simple and accessible. One of the things is have the links on your website, have all your options on your website. Make sure that it's clear and the links are prominent to apply for financing. Make it easy for customers to find these options and begin that application process online. Also, if you have a computer screen that's easily accessible, have your links like up in a tab open. That way you can just turn it around, have your customer come around, do it on your computer at your shop. A lot of times they can do it through a phone, but again, make financing accessible, make it easy. The other thing I want to tell you is, don't be in a judgment zone on these types of things. Needing financing is a reality for lots of people, and it's important to create a welcoming and supporting environment and make sure you train your team to approach these conversations with empathy and respect, ensuring every customer feels comfortable discussing their options without fear of judgment. When and how do we talk about financing? The key to success with financing isn't just having options available. It's ensuring that your customers know about them at every touch point. And so here's some of the things that we talk about. Again, we have it on our website. We do it on our social media. Number one, try to work it into your drop-off. Mention financing options as part of your initial conversation with the customer. Hey, we have several financing options available if you'd like to break up your payment into smaller installments. One thing I didn't list on here at all, which shame on me, Chris, with the CFNA card, they do a lot of enhancements or inducements. If you buy a set of tires and finance it, sometimes they'll double your rebate. They'll do it like some people would get 90 days, same as cash. They'll bump it to 180 days, same as cash. So you have to remember the incentives that the finance companies are doing as well, especially if you're using like a card program like CFNA. So sorry. The next time you want to do it is during the estimate. As you present the repair order, remind customers that financing can help them get the work done now without the strain. Highlight how quick and easy it is to apply. Next, on social media, you need to use your platforms to inform your audience about the financing solutions you offer. Put the links in there. Share posts explaining the benefits and even testimonials from happy customers who've used financing to make repairs more affordable. That's going to help that as well. The other option is in all of your SMS or text communications, when you're following up on estimates or reminding customers of upcoming services, include a note about financing, something as simple as, hey, don't forget we offer financing through Klarna and Affirm to make your repair experience as smooth as possible. and this can make a big impact. One of the overall keys to all this, though, is remember, we talk processes and procedures. You have to be consistent with it. Customers won't always ask about financing, so it's your job to bring it up every time. Consistent messaging not only educates customers, but also reinforces your shop's commitment to making auto repair as accessible as possible. So over time, you're going to build a reputation as a shop that goes above and beyond to serve its community, and this is one of the ways to do that. The other thing is if you can get these people approved before they need repairs, then that's even better. That way they don't have to wait. You've already got the information and it's good to go. Talk about the benefits for your shop just a little bit. Implementing and promoting financing options is going to benefit your business in several ways. Obviously, it helps increase the average repair order. Customers are more likely to approve larger repairs when they have the flexibility to pay over time. Customer retention. In some shops that use this a lot, we see a lot of customers return because they can do the financing. So offering financing builds trust and loyalty. I think customers appreciate the support and are more likely to return for future services because of it. I think it also gives you a competitive advantage. Many shops still don't offer financing, or if they do offer financing, all their stuff in the shop's under like an inch of dust. It's on a website page buried 10 pages in. They don't keep it top of mind, so it's not top of mind with the customers. You have to work this into your processes and procedures. And so I think by doing this, you're setting your business apart in a crowded market, right? At AutoFix Auto Shop Coaching, I've seen how shops that embrace financing options can thrive, even in tough economic times. I'm not saying we're in tough economic times. I just think we're just in a little seasonality type thing. But this is about giving your customers the tools they need to keep their vehicle safe and reliable while building a strong, lasting relationship with your shop. If you're not already offering or actively promoting financing, now's the time to start. The tools are out there. Actually, you probably already have the tools. You're just not using them. The benefits are clear, and your customers are going to thank you for it. So let's keep our shops and communities moving forward, one repair at a time, build the trust, build the reliability, and start putting your financing plan in place today. I'd like to give another shout out to our sponsor, Shop Marketing Pros. They're the only marketing company that I recommend, and they handle all of the marketing for my own shop as well. If you're serious about growth, you need strategies that actually work. Better websites, higher Google rankings, and ads that bring real customers through your doors. Visit shopmarketingpros.com/Chris to partner with a team that understands your business, because every great shop deserves marketing that's just as great. Thanks for tuning into the Weekly Blitz. Remember, it's time to rise, grind, and keep your mindset positive. Until next time, this is Coach Chris Cotton signing off, and have a Merry Christmas, everybody.
You've been listening to the Weekly Blitz with Coach Chris Cotton on the AftermarketRadioNetwork.com. Follow Chris on your favorite podcast listening app. Let him know what you'd like him to cover. His email is in the show notes. Chris is all for advancing the aftermarket.